In this video, it's all about CandyWrap and how to mount it on your bike. The problem is there are so many cycling bags out there, but they only fit on a specific frame. So I had to come up with a solution to fit on any bike. This is a CandyWrap bag. I'll show you how it works. The design is really simple. It's just a cylinder with a roll top closure on both ends. And if you roll up one end and buckle it, you have a tube for your storage. So you take your stuff, push it inside, you roll the top, clip it together, give it a little squeeze, and it's ready to go. The first option is to mount it around your handlebars. You unclip one end, buckle it together, take the other side and clip it around your bars. Looks like this. For the people who use a cargo cage, you could actually mount it like this. For the people who want to mount it as a frame bag, there's also an option. Unbuckle one end, clip it together, and as long as there is tension while buckling, the bag stays put and doesn't wobble. You could also use it as a top tube bag. Unbuckle one end, clip it together. Same as before, as long as there is tension while buckling, the bag stays put. For the people who want to use it as a saddlebag, there's also an option. You just unclip one end, put it around the seat post, take out your band, pull it or push it through the last band mount, through the saddle, around the other side. Clip the buckle together, pull it tight, take the excess band and route it through, and you're ready to go. In this mounting position, you have the option to unclip one end and take out the first stuff if you need something real quick. And in this mounting position, the whole weight is supported by the bike frame and not the seat post. So this makes the center of gravity much lower, which makes riding much more comfortable. There's also the option to mount it on your bike rack, like this or like this. All these mounting options work because you can adjust the length of the bag by rolling up each side. And if not needed, you can buckle it together and store it on your bike. Storing the rolled up bike bag is real easy. You can mount it on your bike. You just route it through the saddle, take the other clip, put it around the seat tube, and finished. 7.6 liters of storage stored on your bike, ready to go. And if you need it, just unbuckle it and use it. As long as you have imagination, you can mount CandyWrap bags everywhere. So that's it for today. If you like the CandyWrap mounting tutorial, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye!